For the third practice problem, we were wondering how many tickets were sold, how many adult tickets, and how many kid tickets. So these must be the variables. We can let A equal the number of adult tickets, and we can let K equal the number of kid tickets. It doesn't matter what variables you could use a smiley face or even a diamond. It just matters that you use the same variable for the number you're representing throughout the problem. These are the two equations we need to set up. The number of adult tickets and the number of kid tickets should equal our total number of tickets. Using our variables, I have A plus K is equal to 500. 500 was the total number of tickets sold for the fundraiser. The second equation involves the amount of money earned from adult tickets and the amount of money earned from kid tickets. If we add those two amounts together, we should get the total amount of money, which was $3,312.50. I've written our two equations down here, and this time I'm going to solve it using elimination. We don't always have to use substitution. I'm going to multiply this equation through by a -4 so I can end up eliminating the k's. Here are the two equations, and I can solve this equation for k. This allows me to do substitution, and I can plug in 500 minus a in for k. Now, we don't always need to do substitution. I could have multiplied this first equation by a -4, and that would have let me eliminated the k's. I could have solved it using elimination instead. Either way you do it, you should wind up with the same answer in the end. First, I distribute the +4 to the 500 and the -a. Then I combine like terms and subtract 2,000. Our last step is to divide by the coefficient of a, 3.5. And we get a is equal to 375. This was the number of adult tickets that were sold for the fundraiser. We know the total number of tickets must add up to 500, so I can replace a with 375 to find the number of kid tickets. Using some mental math here, or an equation, we can get k is equal to 125. This is the number of kid tickets we sold. And to be sure that your answers are right, plug them in into your second equation to make sure that the amounts add up to $3,312.50.